In this video, we're going to go over basic keyword research. Now, a lot of people overcomplicate this and make it really, really difficult, but I'm going to show you guys the quick and dirty way to actually get this done in literally minutes. So I'm going to show you two different methods. One is the bootstrap method, and we use that method when we're strapped for cash. So if you don't have a lot of money to subscribe to one of these tools, you will use this, and this will work just as well as a paid tool. Now, the second method is the lazy man's method. So when you do get some money in your pocket, you want to use this so that you can just literally type in a word and everything gets done for you instantly. So remember, there's really two types of keywords. There's primary and secondary keywords. And the most important way to come up with keywords at the end of the day is your brain. So sit down, think of what product you're actually about to sell, and write down everything that comes to your brain when you think about wanting to buy this product. What would you search in the actual search bar? That is typically the best way to get started. And a lot of times what this does is gives you ideas, and based off of those ideas, you'll find the more important keywords. So use your brain. The second strategy is to look at your top 3 to 5 competitors and jot down the words that you believe are the most important keywords in their actual titles. In the example of the 4D mascara, I quickly and easily was able to tell that mostly everybody was using that 4D lash silk, whatever it was, mascara. The other thing, and again, this is the bootstrap method you'll want to use, is Sonar tool, which we'll take a look at here in a second. And we briefly touched on it before as well. Now, remember, the one thing I want you to remember about keywords and copywriting is really you can do either one in any given order. You can do keywords first, copywriting second, or copywriting first, keywords second. So it's really entirely up to you. If you already have an idea of what words you want to use, just go with it and write what comes out in your head. And later on, you can sprinkle in the keywords that you find with the keyword research. Now, the second tool that you can use is Amazon Search Suggest. Amazon themselves will tell you what keywords people are looking for, and I'll show you here in a minute how that works. And then finally, you can also use market intelligence, which is pretty much the easiest way to get all this information. So we're going to learn and see how each of those works at first. But first, I wanted to give you a concept that I created called front loading. And that is a concept where we want to actually front load the first part of the actual title with as many quality keywords as we can. So in this example, we are looking for a vitamin C serum, and you'll notice that vitamin C serum for face, best natural vitamin C serum, blah, 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 just like we were doing the 4D serum, the 4D lashes. So you'll notice here that the first 60 characters, best natural vitamin C serum, has all these 5 characters or 5 words, terms combined. So if you look at them in any given mix, they include vitamin C serum, best vitamin C serum for face, natural vitamin C serum, and best natural vitamin C serum. Now, there's no need to repeat keywords, and that's why we were able to fit 5 keywords in just these words, best natural vitamin C serum for face. And that is really the concept of front loading. So do not repeat words and try to stick as many words at the beginning of the title as possible. Remember, the first 60 characters of that title are the most important. So let's go ahead and check out Sonar tools, and then let's also take a look at Amazon Search Suggest. Okay, so this is Sonar tools. And again, going back to the 4D mascara, I typed in 4D mascara, but we now know that it's not just 4D mascara, it's 4D silk fiber lash mascara. And what Sonar Tools does is absolutely for free. It comes back with all these words that will work, and you can also actually create a free account, and it'll give you some more words. And then you can also, at some point, get a higher pay them to actually get more data. So right here I put 4D mascara, and you notice I was able to get much more data for 4D mascara than I was for the 4D fiber lash. And that's because really when you type 4D silk fiber lash mascara, there's not that many more words to go. And really what this tool was built on is upon the concept of Amazon Search Suggest, which kind of works like this. When we start typing a word, that can be 4D here, you'll notice that Amazon makes suggestions right here for the next set of keywords that people commonly type. So when I type 4D, the next set of words that people usually type are silk fiber lash mascara, 4D mascara, fiber black waterproof, and so forth. So these are all potential keywords, and you should jot these down and put them in your spreadsheet. And so that is kind of how Search Suggest works. So what Sonar Tool does is it takes it a step further, and you can enter whatever keyword you want here, and it'll take it further and tell you what else people are actually searching. And you can see the long list of words. It also gives you the volume that it suggests, 5 being the maximum amount, 1 being the minimum amount. And you can really get a lot of words here by doing that. You'll notice that also this Spanish term here in mascara, it ranks well too. So you can really dig deep into there and grab a ton of keywords. And so now let's look at the last one that you can use, which is market intelligence. And earlier I typed 4D mascara, and this is what came back. Now, the great thing about market intelligence is that you can order them by search volume so that you know which is the most important keyword that gets the most volume. So right here, based on this, I could completely start to jot down all these fiber lash mascara terms and just write all of them down and put them on a big spreadsheet, and later on use them, because I'm going to need to put those in the back end on the search terms. So when we create the listing, you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. But that is pretty much the quick and dirty, easy way of doing keyword research. And again, it can take you literally minutes if you use any one of these tools. Some of them, again, are free, as well as some of them are paid. So I hope you learned a lot in this lesson, and I'll see you guys in the next lesson.